Hi guys! The old Renault Scenic MPV can be seen as a relic of a time before fashionable SUVs and crossovers. However, the French maker has decided to revive the household nameplate for the electric age with an of-the-minute SUV twist, just like it did with the smaller Megane E-Tech. Featuring a raised ride height and rugged wheel arch cladding, the new Renault Scenic E-Tech now takes the form of an electric family SUV to rival the likes of the Volkswagen ID.4, Skoda Enyaq, Toyota BZ4X, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Kia Niro EV, Hyundai Kona Electric, Renault Megane. Speaking of the Megane, the new Renault Scenic E-Tech, despite being 10 cm longer, shares that car's CMF-EV platform, which also underpins the Nissan Ariya. From launch, Renault's family SUV will be available in two versions. The entry-level standard range car gets a 168 brake horsepower electric motor, paired with a 60 kilowatts per hour battery. This, according to Renault, is sufficient for 0-62 miles per hour in 9.3 seconds and a range of up to 261 miles. Step up to the high-range model, however, and power is boosted to 217 brake horsepower, cutting the 0-62 miles per hour sprint to 8.4 seconds. Thanks to a larger 87 kilowatts per hour battery, range also sees a significant increase to a maximum of 385 miles on the WLTP tests, more than a Tesla Model Y regenerative braking heat pump. Renault says 24% of the materials used to build the new Scenic E-Tech are recycled. The interior trim, storage bins, floor mats, and seats are all made from recycled plastics and fabrics, while even the optional solar bay panoramic sunroof, able to turn opaque at the press of a button, is constructed using 50% recycled glass from motor manufacturing. There are no rare earth metals used in the construction of the powertrain either. The new Renault Megane E-Tech should be just as practical as its people carrier predecessor. According to Renault, there's 38.7 liters of storage space dotted around the cabin, while the rear armrest features built-in cup holders, swiveling armrests for each passenger, plus stands for your mobile phone or tablet and USB ports for charging them. The Megane E-Tech's 545-liter boot is larger than that of most cars in its class, offering roughly 100 liters more space than the area on which it's based. Fold the rear seats down, and the load area expands to 1,670 liters. Due to go on sale in 2024, UK Scenic E-Tech buyers will be able to choose from 3 trim levels: Techno, Iconic, and Esprit Alpine. Pricing is yet to be revealed, but we expect Renault's electric SUV to start from just over $40,000. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and consider subscribing for more content like this. Goodbye, everyone.